Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. I'm super excited to be with you. We have more work to do on our numbers 11 through 19. Big numbers, right? Like we're moving past numbers past 10, and this is very exciting. We're getting into the teen numbers. Okay, so here we go. We've been talking a lot about that these numbers are greater than 10. So we can think of them as 10 and some more, right? In fact, in some languages, like the number 13 is actually called 10-3 because it's 10 and 3 more, okay? So the way we're going to do that today looks like this. You might recognize this from the other day, but it's a little bit different. What I'm going to do is I have a bunch of cards, okay, 11 through 19, and I'm going to have you cut these out later. And I'm going to pick out a card, and we're going to put that number of counters on here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them around. I'm going to shuffle them, okay? Just means like mix them around a little bit. Okay, shuffle, 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 and then I'm going to pick one at the top and see what it is. Ooh, it's a big one. It's 19. Okay, so 19. So I'm going to write down right here, 19. Or you know what I could even do? I could just put the piece of paper there. Why not? I don't have to write it down. So 19 is 10 and how many more? So let's find out. So let's count to 19 together. You ready to count with me? I'll put them down, but you count with me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you counting? Yeah, louder so I can hear you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're still counting. We haven't gotten to 19, right? But we just filled up the 10 frame. That's 10. Okay, ready? 11, count with me. 12, 13, 14. Sorry, let me get some more counters. Okay, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, we got there. It's a big number. Okay, so 19 we can see is 10. Right here we have 10. And how many more? How many more do we need to get to 19? Well, over here we have, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 19 is 10 and 9 more. I bet some of you are starting to notice something here, right? Which is in the number 19, there's a 9, right? And then here it says 10 and 9 more. So that's interesting. There's like a pattern happening here. Okay, so let's do another one. All right, and then you're going to actually get a chance to do this as well. So, boys and girls, I'm not going to take away these because all the numbers are greater than 10. So I'm just going to leave the red ones and just take off the yellow ones. Okay, does that make sense? Because it'll save me time, right? Okay, so let's take off the 19. We don't even need to write it. And let's do another one. I'll put the 19 over here. And I'm going to shuffle these cards up. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Here, I can kind of see them, so I won't peek. Okay? And I'm going to turn this over. Ooh, I got another big one. I got 17 this time. Okay. So 17. Oh, I forgot to erase this. Let's count out 17. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now count with me out loud so I can hear you nice and loud. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We're there. We're already there at 17. Okay, great. So 17 is this many, okay? It's this many counters. But we can also think of it as, again, we can think of it as 10 and, or plus, how many more are over here? We have 5, 6, 7. So 17 is 10 and 7 more. So this 7 represents how many more we had to add to 10 to get to 17. Okay? So again, I'm noticing that 17 has a 7 in it, and it's 10 and 7 more. Okay, so that pattern is continuing to be true. Okay? So you are going to do this activity as well at home. So just like the other day, you need your red and yellow counters. Okay? You need the paper that looks like this. It says blank is 10 and blank more. You need that to go into your dry erase sleeve. Okay? You always need, of course, your eraser and your marker. And you need the paper that looks like this. Okay? Because what you're going to do with this is you're going to cut them out. So you need some scissors. You cut them out so that you have 9 cards, just like I do. So pause the video, which means to stop it for a few minutes. Cut these out, okay, with some scissors. If for some reason you don't have scissors, then you can just decide what numbers you want to be doing. Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. And then you need these materials as well. Okay, so pause the video and come back when you are ready. I'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, so boys and girls, you should have this paper inside your dry erase sleeve. Okay, sorry, it's a little bit, the sun is reflecting. So it says blank is 10 and blank more, okay? So we have that, and we also have your red and yellow counters ready to go, okay? And you should have cut out your cards that have numbers on them that look like this. So they look like, each card looks something like that, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, okay, so I'll show you, I'll do one more just to show you, and then it's going to be your job to do it yourself, okay? Because you're, what is it? It's already like February going into March. You guys are like going to be in first grade before you know it. You're getting so independent. Okay, so again, I'm going to shuffle them, right? Shuffle, 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 shuffle. I like to sing a little song, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And then I'm going to flip one over. So I got 14. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put 14 right there, okay? And I'm going to count out 14. You're going to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, so we know that's 10. We have to add some more to get to 14. All right, counting with me. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we got to 14. So 14, all right, now what you would do is you would write down, you have 14 is 10, the 10 reds, and how many more? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, the number 14 has a 4 in it, and so it is 10 and 4 more. Very interesting. Okay, so boys and girls, what you are going to do is what I just did, okay? And then I would take this away, and I can add it back into my pile. And I would leave the 10 reds out unless you want to keep putting them out. It's up to you. But you might want to leave it like I did, so you don't have to keep counting those out. Take off the yellow, erase this, and then do it again. Okay, pick one of your cards, and then you're going to build it, and then you're going to write down what it shows. Okay? So I want you to do that for, again, like 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, get really comfortable with it. And then at the end, you have one more paper that I would like you to do, and it looks like this. Okay, you're actually going to write on this paper. Okay, this is not something that goes into your dry erase sleeve. So it has your name, right? So you'd write down your name. My name is Mr. McAndrew. Okay. And then it says 10 and some more. It's exactly like what we were just doing. So again, you would choose one of your cards, right? So you'd shuffle it up and shuffle it up. And then this time we got, let's get a different one. We got 11. Okay. So we would write down 11, right? And now you're going to, instead of putting your, these are too big, right? But you can draw using your pencil or pen or a marker 11 dots. So first we're going to fill up this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can see that 11 is 10 and one more. And again, you see one here and one here. Okay? So there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of these. So play the game for maybe like 10 minutes, and then you want to do this as well. Okay? And you can play the game as many times as you want, whenever you want, because you always have the materials with you. Okay? All right, boys and girls, as always, awesome being with you. Great learning. Do your best. Be kind. Be safe. And I'll see you very soon. All right. Bye-bye.